It's Ramadan.
It's too hot,
We're hungry.
so we're eating in.
The quickest way to go to Matarya would be by the metro. It's gonna be super crowded, however, it is less crowded than the streets that we would have taken by car. We finally got here and found this cute little purple tuk-tuk, so we jumped right in. Now the music was super loud, however, we had a great time. He took us to the square where we found out that behind this mosque is where we figured out that
Here in Matarya, they have the biggest iftar in all of Egypt.
There are thousands of people and they're so happy and we're all breaking the fast together.
And it's all for free. This is all charity work. We love it. However, we couldn't find a place to eat.
Which is fine.
We're just gonna show y'all what it looks like.
holding up the sign that says Matarya City in Arabic. These boys were having the best time, playing the drums, singing songs for Matarya. Even the girls were singing out of their minds. Now people here were just super happy, even climbing up trucks, actual trucks. But we got the grill meister here ready to feed everybody around here. And yes, it's all for free. People are looking from their windows, their balconies, waving flags, applauding, having a great time. However, it did get messy sometimes because a lot of free food and people really want to eat it. However, we didn't see any fights or anything. Everybody was just happy all the time. Even these little girls wanted to take selfies with us.
5 minutes left to iftar, and these balloons are gonna drop anytime now. Oh, what the?
I even got interviewed by some guy and it was such a pleasure actually just sharing the love, and we got it. 3, 2, 1, let's go! And there you have it, folks. Everybody can start eating, celebrating together, and it was such a beautiful thing. However, we have still not eaten.
Finally.
But at least we had some water. This was truly one of the most amazing experiences we've ever had in Egypt, and if you ever visit, you should too. Now it's time for me and Samantha to do one final thing, and it's to break our fast.
All right, we found this super eccentric little barbecue shop. We got the mix with the chicken and kofta, and I fucking love kofta. I thought it was gonna be like kind of bad, but it's really good.
Now let's get behind the scenes of Abu Medo, or hobalala like they say on TikTok. This is kofta. Kofta is amazing. It's usually beef or lamb mixed with salt and pepper on a skewer, put on the grill. And it is just simple, but one of the best things you'll ever had. The chicken, also succulent, juicy, grilled, yum.
Abu Mado, best meat. And chicken. Tarp, it's the best thing here in Egypt, one of the best. You can eat it, it's like a kofta, and it's covered with lamb fats.
Finally, we got this. It's called Egyptian whiskey, and it's the salad water, so it's really salty. I absolutely love it, and this place has got the best.
I love it. Now we're gonna go get some desserts.
Now that we've had our beef, chicken, and whiskey,
We're gonna go get some desserts.
let's go. Somebody randomly threw this at us.
Yeah, it's called Matarya and it's filled with nuts and coconut.
So I guess we're having dessert.
Yeah.
Come on. I thought it was gonna be crap, but it was really nice. Who gave it to us? So that was our day at Matarya. Make sure to follow us on how?
To Egypt.